Bom dia, meus amigos, tudo bem com vocês? Eu sou o Gilson Neres e esse é o canal Relíquias U.S.A. Hoje eu tô aqui na feira de Lake Wells, ó. Vou dar uma passadinha aqui. Resolvi trazer o meu rifle aqui, ó. Vou perguntar, saber umas informações sobre ele ali, porque tem um cara especialista em arma ali, para ver o que ele me fala do rifle que eu tenho. Vamos ver, quero aprender um pouquinho mais, beleza? Então vamos lá, vem comigo então, levar ali e mostrar para vocês, valeu? Vamos lá. Vamos lá, vamos levar o rifle para ver o que o cara acha aí, tem alguma informação. Tem que de munição, um monte de coisa aqui. How you doing? Good morning. Yeah. All right. So, can I make a little recording? What are you gonna say about the gun? If that's okay with you? All right. So that's the rifle there I said I had.
Okay.
So
Well, there was a
tell me about whatever you know about it.
I miss that gun. Yeah, but I carried an 810 when I was in the service. 308. Oh, don't show that to my wife. Is that a 308? Nope. Nope. Barrel too small. Too small.
Remington 700, 7 millimeter.
It was 7 barrel. He just got this. Yeah, I see your eyes light up.
This has a functioning trapdoor on it too, yes, on the bottom of it.
I don't know, I'm just learning about it.
Just learned about it.
Yeah.
He's videotaping you now.
Yeah, I'm just making a little video.
That's a nice gun.
Nice rifle. This has a trapdoor on the bottom of it. You open the trapdoor and empty all your magazines out, your bullets out.
Okay.
So you can load it through the top. You would load it through the top, close it, it's 4 shots plus 1.
Okay.
And you can dump them with quick release, dump the bottom trapdoor out, and the bottom open, there'll be a Z spring in it, and the bullets will fall in the hand and you close it back up.
Wow.
Not that I can tell you. Not that I can tell you.
Leopold scope.
Thank you.
More than them, huh?
I ain't gonna hit nobody.
Yeah, Bob.
Yeah, he just aimed that at me. I thought we were friends.
No, he's joking.
Oh, if I had a round in it and he was over there by the power lines, you'd be falling on the ground.
Probably.
Nice rifle.
Um,
Nice rifle.
I'm nobody.
Got an idea what you think it's worth?
I have no idea.
No idea.
No idea. And that's one of the stuff I want to talk about with you. If you
Okay.
tell me something about that.
Okay.
I got that gun for 11 years. You know.
Well, I'll make you an offer before I even look to see what it's worth.
Okay.
I don't know what it's worth,
Okay.
but I'll make a cash offer right now for it, just the way it sets with a case.
Okay.
I'll give you a cash offer right now
For the-
without even looking up what it's worth.
Mhm.
I'll give you $500 cash right now.
I believe you.
I'm gonna lay out $1, 2, 3, 4, $500 bills right there. If you want to sell it, take the money, and it's sold.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait a little bit more.
Well, you know, it might be worth less.
Yeah.
It might be worth all it's worth.
Yeah. Ele tá me fazendo uma oferta de $500. Eu não vou
I would like
aceitar,
to
não.
take it home and add it to my collection.
Yeah.
That's where it would go, I do believe. But it's a very beautiful rifle. I like to own something like that. That look good in my safe. Let me see here. I'll see what I can find out.
I did a little research in it, and it came out that it was made in '69.
Yeah, well, I never worry about what year it was made unless it's something really old.
Uh-huh.
If it's military, we worry about what year it was made into. And like if you're buying an SKS, we worry about is it Russian, Yugoslavian, Chinese, because that does affect the value. But this is a Remington.
Very nice.
Well, it's a beautiful rifle.
Do you have the ammo for it?
I do not, but I can get it.
Okay.
I can get it.
Vem munição aqui também, ó. Munição de todo jeito aí, ó. There you go. This guy got an offer to it already.
Well, I got to tell you that I'm offering you real money for it.
Okay.
I can buy a brand new one.
Yeah, I got a little YouTube channel, and sometimes I show stuff like that. So
I can buy a brand new one. A brand new one, $7.59 for a brand new one. And this is used. Obviously, got some age on it. Okay. Yeah, I'll talk to you later. So I got to tell you that that's all the money for it.
I'll talk to you later.
Yes.
So how much you said a new one?
A new one is $7.59 for a brand new one.
Okay.
But this is used.
Yeah.
Okay. So 500 is really generous for a used rifle versus a new one. And I'll give you $500 cash for it.
All right. I appreciate your offer. I'm just gonna think a little bit more about it.
Don't think too long.
Yeah.
I really like to have it for myself.
All right.
This wouldn't be on the table. This would not go on the table for sale.
Okay.
This would go home to my house and
stay
go in
there.
my safe and stay home. Okay.
Awesome.
This would never see the table.
It means that's a special gun, right?
To me.
Yeah.
To me, I like stuff like that.
Yeah, absolutely.
I have several that'll.
And okay, like I buy guns, and when I buy guns, and
Yes, and you don't have it.
it says something to me,
Winchester.
and it says,
hold it.
take it home, keep it. I buy it, I take it home, it goes in the safe, and it never goes for sale. It stays home.
Very good.
And that's where this would go. It would go home, in the safe,
Nowhere
on the door.
internet. I've
Very
looked at
nice.
probably
Very
40
nice.
different websites, and every one of them is sold out.
But I'll buy it if you want to sell it.
And they're
Aí, pessoal, viu aí? Eu recebi uma oferta em dinheiro
can't find them.
no meu rifle, mas não vou vender não. Volta pra casa. Valeu? Ó, se você gostou do vídeo aí, dá aquele joinha, se inscreva no canal.
They're almost
Tamo junto.
impossible to
Valeu.
find right
Até
now
mais.
because I guess it's the thing that everybody wants.